Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Translate offline, follow these simple steps to download languages for offline translation. Step 1. Open the Google Translate app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or picture in the top right corner. Step 3. Select offline translation from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Browse the list of available languages that can be downloaded for offline use. Step 5. Tap the download icon next to any language you want to use without internet connection. Step 6. Wait for the language pack to finish downloading, which may take a minute or two depending on the file size. Step 7. Repeat the process for any additional languages you need offline. Step 8. Now you can use Google Translate without internet by selecting your downloaded languages and typing or speaking the text you want to translate, though advanced features like camera translation may still require an internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.